He says what Huzur explained here is clear with the grace of Allah, but I want some more explanation on it.
The same topic, huh?
Yes.
Where is your political correspondent today?
It's not in this class. It's in French class.
Huh? Oh, that's right. He's in French class. Yes. Quite right. Tell me.
Today he wants to know some more explanation on the oil of olive, that light is lit or kindled with oil of olive.
Yes.
And is neither related with east nor west. These expressions he needs more explanation.
Understand. Quite right. As far as the olive is concerned, this is a fruit which has been mentioned in the Holy Quran and other places as well. कहाँ है?
तीन वज़ैतून. हाँ. Yes. तीन वज़ैतून वतूर सीनीन वहाज़ल बलदिल अमीन.
तीन तो ऑलिव नहीं है, जैतून है. जैतून ठीक है. Quite right. God has borne witness, among other things, to this oil. One thing I must tell you about the oil of zaytun or olive oil, that it is famed for reducing cholesterol of the body. Although it's oil, it doesn't cause any cholesterol rise. So those countries which are olive oil eaters and cook in olive oil, they have the least incidence of heart attack. So the doctors are amazed at this special quality of this oil. Despite being oil, it doesn't create the cholesterol in the system. So that is a general information about the oil. But when you speak of olive oil, one suddenly thinks of the Western countries or Middle East, and don't go far, because in the Far East you don't find any olive. So to remove this misunderstanding that it is a real thing, to make you understand that it's only a metaphor. God has spoken that it neither belongs to east nor to the west. So it's not a worldly thing. It's not an earthly thing. If God had been talking of the oil as it is, then God has only spoken of the at maximum Middle East or the West, Spain and Italy, etc. But he removes this misunderstanding and says he is neither from the west nor from the east. So the light of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has the same quality. That he is that light is neither from the west nor from the east. That indicates that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a global prophet. He neither belongs to the west nor to the east. So one sentence contains many messages. The information about the olive which I just conveyed to you is just an additional subject. This information is not meant in the Quran. What is meant in the Quran is this, that this is not a worldly oil, worldly tree we are talking about. This is neither east of east nor neither of west, etc. So that's the basic information. But additionally, this also comes to mind, the quality of the oil, that is good for health. So Islam is good for human health. Islamic teaching is good for physical health as well as for spiritual health. Got it? That's the maximum I could say. I think there is an additional reason for the choice of oil of olive for light, because as far as I know, every other oil burns with a flame with smoke, except olive oil. Pure olive oil does not burn with smoke. So it gives light but no smoke. Any other question? Or enough? Yes. That's all I could tell. That's my information I passed on to you.
Now I can.
Okay. माशाल्लाह, बहुत प्यारा बच्चा है। खड़े हो जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ। और ये हमेशा से लाडला है ना। अभी डरते हो तुम बहुत? अब तो नहीं डरते ना? अच्छा, तुम्हें बुलाएं किसी को वो मास्क देके तुम्हें दिखाने डराने के लिए है? देखे बड़ा सा डरता था ये। कम ऑन, हाँ टेस्ट करो जरा।
इश्क खुदा की में से भरा जाम लाए हैं हम, मुस्तफा के हाथ पे इस्लाम लाए हैं।
शाबाश। अब बाद में जब बारी आएगी टेस्टिंग हो गई, बड़ी अच्छी टेस्टिंग हुई है। चलें शुरू करें।